35-inch Ruud air handler. We have a 20 by 20 scuttle hole. We're 22 deep, 17 wide. 17 is fine, 22 is not fine. Trust to trust, we're not gonna make it up. So the beautiful thing about the 35-inch Ruud air handler is we could take it in 2 pieces with the greatest of ease, actually. Not bad at all. Okay, our blower comes out, 2 screws. Got a nice washable filter in here. I like it a lot. Lasts a long time. So we got our 2 pieces of the Ruud 35-inch air handler up without a problem because we took it apart into 2 pieces, which is the beauty of it. I'm gonna put it back together now.